Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be a little bit of mail time. So what I have for you is a pretty cool package that I got in from Lebel. What he's been doing is he's been doing a little bit of a subscriber appreciation where he's been giving out some free gifts to some of his most loyal subscribers. I've been following him since the beginning, and it's been a really great time getting to know him and interacting with him over the last year or so. Lebel's a great guy, and I'm so excited to see what he sent me. I have a pretty good idea of what might be inside, but let's check it out together right now. So we're just going to open this package up and just take a really quick peek. Alright, so now that we got the package cut open, we're going to see what we got. Alright, we got that. The inside is nice and clear. Alright, so let's open this up. Alright, so it is now wrapped in a piece of paper, and let's see what that says. Okay, so we got a nice Paclock sticker. And before we take a look at the lock, let's see what this piece of paper says. Alright, so it says, "You won a Paclock a week for ? Note, this giveaway will go on for an unknown length of time. Thank you so much for tuning in and being a subscriber. I hope I can get you to stick around and help spread the word about my channel. This is a we thing, not a me thing. You are also welcome to email me at lebel5150@aol.com. Please check out the great company that made these locks at Paclock.com. Most of this is sold for you. Most of this is old for you, but you get it anyways. Thank you so much for all you do. Big Al." Well, that is a really cool letter, and I'm really happy to have received this lock from Big Al. So let's take a quick look at it. So this is going to be a Paclock 200A. And I've seen this on his channel several times. He's been doing a giveaway for them for a little bit of time now, and I'm so excited to have one in my hands. So let's see. Alright, so we have Lebel YouTube sticker. Really cool. We got 1, 2. Then we got some of his business cards, which is pretty cool. Very nice to have. Thank you for that personal touch. And here's what we've been looking for, the Lebel Paclock. Now look at this. This is such a cool lock. It reminds me of an American lock, 5200 I believe is the model I'm thinking of. It's nice and thick. It has a really nice shackle, and wow, that is really nice to hold in the hand. I really love the color and how he has his logo on it. Paclock does such a cool job being able to make all of these custom locks. I've never really thought about making one myself, but I can only imagine how much these must cost to be able to get them custom made. I am very lucky to have one now from Lebel, and I've also gotten one in from another channel, which is pretty cool. So now I can say I have 2 of these. So let's take a quick look and see how well the key works. I imagine it's going to work very, very well. Okay. Alright, actually let's look at the bitting there. It's not that bad actually. Is that a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? This must be a 6 pinner. Alright, let's check it out. Let's listen to that shackle pop. Has a really nice sound to it. Ball bearing on the inside, and that's going to really help secure this lock up. And looks like I might need to use an Allen key to take this apart. So I just want to say, Lebel, thank you so much for sending this to me. I do want to pick this down the road, but for today's video I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. But I'm going to be really interested to pick up the Albert Lebel one and also the one I got from Lockpicking Gal and being able to compare the two because they're both from Paclock, but this is a different model and it'll be really cool to see. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. It's just been a really cool Paclock that Albert Lebel was able to give to me through his subscriber appreciation. I just want to say thank you so much. You did not need to do this, but I really do appreciate it. But either way, guys, if you haven't checked out Albert Lebel before, what I'm going to do is put a link right here on the top so you can check him out. His channel is all about building Locksport community, making really great challenge locks, picking really great challenge locks, and just giving a lot back to the community. He's a really great guy, and I really recommend that you check him out and get to know him. But either way, guys, that's all that I have for you today. All I have is this really great lock that was sent to me. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you'll have a great day. And I cannot wait to see you in the next episode. And we're just going to pop this one more time. That is so satisfying.